This BMW belongs in a scrapyard, at least according to a mechanic that rejected my BMW E46 for the yearly inspection. They apparently didn't want to have anything to do with this car. Hearing something like that hurts, but he's right. Old BMWs that got neglected often have many problems. So does that here. Well, but I am dumb and saved this BMW E46. So we've replaced the transmission, the handbrake cables and the rear subframe bushings in the last video. And now it is time for the inspection in another workshop. Well, I'm really nervous. The judgment day. Well, I was nervous. Driving somewhere where people say whether you need to spend your whole savings or not. So, did we pass? Well, actually we didn't pass it. And the reason for that is that there is apparently a hole in my fender. I've disassembled it and I can't seem to find any holes in here. And since I can't find the hole in my fender, I'm going to poke it a little bit. Oh, there is a little hole. I haven't seen it before. Yeah, it seems reasonable. The problem is, we only have time to the end of November. Otherwise I can't even drive the car to the inspection anymore. So let's try to fix it as fast as possible. Finding a cheap fender which fits my car was difficult. So I drove 200 kilometers to pick up this fender for 40 euros. But we have a little bit of a problem. These are quite rounded, so this is going to be a fun one. So we are tapping the screws to loosen them a bit. One of them is coming out. So now we are grinding these bolts and remove them. I really thought we won't be able to get them out, but we did it, so let's remove the whole fender. Repaired! And here's the new fender. Now we are protecting the inside from all of the grime and salt with a rubberized paint. Now the trim and the blinker is going in. And now it's ready to go onto the car. Well, I think we're ready for the inspection, but the car has other plans. 2 days before the inspection, I drove the car to a mountain area, and there it happened. Suddenly my clutch felt weird. The bite point moved each time when changing gears, and we were 30 kilometers away from home. But luckily, we've made it home. That's the time when the passion fades and you're just doing it out of necessity. So with no time to spare, we have to fix it. Well, there's definitely a leak. So to be able to move, I had to remove a few things. Now remove the pin which connects the clutch pedal to the master cylinder. Then we are unbolting the culprit, the clutch master. It is out now. And now we are installing the new part. The only good thing is that I have a brand new master cylinder laying around here. Otherwise there's no possible way to repair the car in time. And it is installed. Now the only thing we need to do is to bleed the clutch. And now we're trying if the car goes into gear. But the thing is, it didn't. That is a problem. Only 1 day left. I guess it is over now. There's no way we can repair it in time. But the thing is, I need this car for work. But after a short break, I decided to take everything apart again. And I found the leak. It came from the clutch line. Well, I just guess you can call me the luckiest person on earth. I had just one laying around from my old parts car. That's just pure luck and a little bit of my hoarding problem. Here you can see the leak from the clutch line. It's actually quite impressive that we drove 30 kilometers with this leak. So now we are going to install it. Bleed the clutch again, and then it hopefully works. Today is the day. A stranger is going to decide whether my car can stay on the road or needs some expensive work. So please, wish me luck. So the big question is, did we pass it? Yeah, we've passed! The car is legal for another year on Austrian roads. So what did I learn? Well, I guess many people neglect these older BMWs. And so did I. So if you love BMWs, just keep them in good shape. Thanks for watching. Riding on the dizzying highs. You're kind of dirty, little fella. He's dirty.